Have you ever installed an LED light only to notice it's way dimmer than it should be? Today, I'm going to show you what causes this issue and how to fix it, whether it's a wiring problem, a bad driver, or something else. Before going any further, we need to confirm that the power source is correct. So the first step is to grab a multimeter and check the voltage at the input. Set your multimeter to AC voltage and measure across the hot and neutral wires. You should be getting close to 120 volts. If it's lower than that, or fluctuating, that could be the reason the light is dim. Next, we need to check the power switch for the LED lights. It's located on the left side of the box, and it's crucial to make sure it's getting and passing the correct voltage. To access it, you'll need to remove 4 screws on the front panel of the unit. Once the front cover is off, go ahead and remove the junction box to expose the wiring for the power switch. Now, with your multimeter, check for 120 volts AC coming into the switch and 120 volts coming out when the switch is on. If you're not getting voltage out, the switch might be faulty. You can also test the switch with continuity mode on your multimeter. Just make sure the power is off before doing that. This will tell you if the internal contacts are working correctly. Once the power switch has been checked, the next step is to access the raceway underneath the cold rail. You'll need to remove the cover on the raceway to get to the electrical components inside. This includes the power supply and the relay. Inside, you'll find the power supply, which is responsible for converting 120 volts AC to 24 volts DC to power the LED lights. While you're checking the power supply, it's also important to confirm that it's the correct one for this unit. This system requires a 75-watt LED driver. Make sure the label on the power supply indicates 75. If the wrong driver is installed, for example something lower than 75 watts, it could cause the LEDs to appear dim or not function at all. After confirming the specs, verify the input is 120 V AC and the output is 24 V DC using your multimeter. If either value is off, you may have a faulty driver or a wiring issue. Now that you've verified the power supply, the next step is to inspect the relay. Make sure the relay assembly is complete, no missing parts, no broken housing, and all components properly seated. Pay special attention to this small insertable component right here. It's a critical part of the relay function. It must be fully seated and not loose. If it's even slightly disconnected, the relay might not switch properly, which can cause power loss to the LEDs. If this piece wiggles or feels like it's about to come out, it needs to be resecured or replaced. Once the physical condition of the relay is confirmed, the next step is to verify that it's receiving the correct voltage. The relay should be getting 24 volts DC at the input. Use your multimeter to measure across the input terminals. Then check that 24 VDC is present across all the other connections on the relay. This ensures that voltage is properly passing through and being distributed. Also, check the green indicator light on the relay. It should be on at all times. If the light is off or flickering, that could indicate an issue with the voltage supply or the relay itself. After confirming the relay is working properly, the last step is to verify that the LED light itself is receiving the correct power. The LED lights are connected with a quick slide connector. It's easy to remove, just slide it out gently. With the connector unplugged, use your multimeter set to DC volts and check for 24 V DC at the connector terminals. You should be reading close to 24 volts DC. If you're getting anything under 23 volts, that could be the reason why your LED is dim or not turning on at all. Once tested, just slide the connector back in. It should fit snugly and securely. And that's it. Those are the key steps to troubleshoot a dim LED light on this unit. If everything checks out and you're still having issues, the LED module itself may need to be replaced. Thanks for watching.